Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am making Korean spicy chicken. Now let's prep the ingredients. We will be using garlic, ginger, carrots, potatoes, and some green onions. Let me know in the comment section where you are watching from. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when we post new videos. Now let's mix up the spices. You mix until it blends in well into a paste. Then you set aside. Heat up your pan with oil and start frying your chicken. You add some garlic for some aroma. Fry until it turns golden brown. Then you add your prepared spices. And some chicken stock and water. You give it a good mix. Then cover and cook for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, open the lid and stir again. Then you add ginger, carrots, potatoes, and onions. And then give it a good stir. Again, cover the lid for 10 minutes. Okay, our stew is ready. Let's add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. And it's ready to be served. Garnish with sesame seed and green onions. You can serve with rice. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.